Hey guys, this is Camden's Takes. Today we're doing another astronomy video, and today we're going over our first dwarf planet candidate, Orcus. Orcus is a dwarf planet candidate located in the Kuiper Belt. Its provisional designation is 2004 DW. Its minor planet designation is 90482 Orcus. Orcus was discovered by Mike Brown, Chad Trujillo, and David Rabinowitz on February 17, 2004 at the Palomar Observatory. Orcus is nicknamed the Anti-Pluto because it shares many similarities to Pluto, like orbital paths, but moves around the Sun differently or opposite in that orbital path. And it's across the solar system from Pluto like a mirror. And when Pluto's at perihelion, Orcus is at aphelion. But similar to Pluto, when it gets close to the Sun, it crosses Neptune's orbit. Orcus is named after the Etruscan god of the underworld, which is similar to Pluto's theme. Orcus has one moon named Vanth, which is probably a captured Kuiper Belt object due to it having a deep reddish hue, unlike Orcus. Vanth is pretty large compared to Orcus, similar to Eris and Dysnomia and Pluto and its moon Charon. The moon was originally going to be called Porcus, so when being referred to, it would be Orcus Porcus. But they kept tradition and named it Vanth, after the Etruscan goddess that guides souls to the underworld, similar to Charon's role, who ferries souls to the underworld. Orcus has an inclined orbit at 23 degrees, which is much more inclined than Pluto's orbit at 17 degrees. Orcus takes 247 years to orbit the Sun, which is very close to Pluto's 248-year orbit. Its orbital speed is 10,470 miles per hour. Orcus has an elliptical orbit around our Sun. 30 AU is its perihelion, and 48 AU is its aphelion. So when Orcus is at aphelion, Pluto is at perihelion. But when Orcus is at perihelion, it's almost as close to the Sun as Neptune gets. Because it's so far from the Sun, its temperatures are negative 380 degrees Fahrenheit. If Orcus is not tidally locked with Vanth, it would take 10.5 hours to rotate. But if Orcus is tidally locked with Vanth, its rotational period would be the same as Vanth's orbital period, which is 9.5 days. Just like Pluto, Orcus is a Plutino, which means it's in a 2 to 3 resonance with Neptune. For every 3 orbits Neptune has, Pluto and Orcus have 2. It's also the second largest Plutino after Pluto. It's also a trans-Neptunian object, a Kuiper Belt object, and a Plutoid. Orcus has a diameter of 958.4 kilometers. Which means its radius is 479.2 kilometers. Its density is 1.51 g-cm to the power of 3. Its mass is 6.3 times 10 to the power of 20 kilograms. You can fit 2,470 Orcuses inside Earth by volume. Orcus is 1/4 the size of the Earth's moon. Orcus's size puts it in the top dwarf planet candidate list. Orcus's layers consist of an icy crust, an icy mantle, a subsurface ocean that could possibly contain life, and a rocky core. Orcus's surface consists of water ice, ammonia or ammonia hydrates, and rocky materials, along with some tholins. But because of its clean water ice surface and not having a lot of tholins similar to Eris, it's not as red as some other TNOs like Sedna, Quarrer, and Maki Maki. Orcus has a medium albedo, which means it doesn't reflect a lot of sunlight, but it doesn't reflect too little like many other trans-Neptunian objects. Hope you learned something new today. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.